Hello and welcome back to the channel HardReset.Info, and today let's discuss how to add products on Shopify from AliExpress. So you need an application to connect those two platforms, and the most popular one is Deezers, which is actually AliExpress official partner for dropshipping. So first, go to your Shopify dashboard, open App Store or Google Play, and basically install Deezers. Once installed, you can connect your AliExpress account to Deezers. Now go to your AliExpress and browse for a product that you like. With Deezers, you can import that product to your Deezers dashboard with just one click, and from there you can edit the product before it goes live. So you can change the title, change pricing, edit description of the item, or even change some photos so that your store looks more professional and not just copy-pasted. When you're happy with it, you can push the product from Deezers to your Shopify store, and it instantly appears as part of your catalog. From that point, when a customer buys the product from your Shopify store, Deezers automatically places the order with the AliExpress supplier, fills in your customer's address, and tracks shipping for you. That way, you never touch inventory yourself because it's all handled by the supplier. So that's it. Thank you for watching. If that video helped you, please like it and subscribe to our channel for more content like this.